This video shows how to remove and reinstall the analytical chambers in the total carbon analyzer. During the procedure, the instrument must be switched off. Open the door of the instrument and wait for the chambers to cool down if necessary. Rotate the locking screw ring on the chamber to unscrew it in a counterclockwise direction until the upper half of the chamber can be slid upwards on the inlet tube. A fixing nut is located at the bottom of the analytical chamber. Rotate it in a clockwise direction to unscrew it from the chamber. Remove the bottom part of the chamber using both of your hands. Remove the top part of the chamber using both of your hands. Make sure the chamber does not touch the chamber fitting. Install the top part of the chamber back into the instrument. Repeat the same for the bottom part of the chamber. Make sure to correctly connect the temperature probe connector located at the back of the analytical chamber. Secure the chamber by rotating the fixing nut in a counterclockwise direction. Thank you for watching this video tutorial.